This will make your white clothes gleam like fresh hotel linen. After several washes, white clothes do not always look as bright and flawless as they did when they were new. Fabrics can gradually turn gray and lose their freshness, while stubborn marks often remain around collars, cuffs, and underarm areas. The way you dry your whites is also extremely important, and I will explain why in a moment. Start by reaching for classic white Cif cream cleaner. Make sure you use the original white version. It contains fine cleaning particles and active ingredients designed to help remove stubborn dirt. This makes it useful for refreshing white fabrics and helping them look cleaner and brighter. Measure out 1 scoop of the prepared mixture and pour it directly into the washing machine drum. Then select a delicate or hand wash cycle at 86 degrees Fahrenheit and start the machine. As soon as the cycle finishes, take the clothes out, shake them well, and hang them up. However, the way you dry white laundry matters just as much. Leave plenty of space between each item so that air can circulate freely and the fabrics dry evenly. Cotton towels, bed linen, and other durable white fabrics can be dried in direct sunlight. Sunlight acts as a natural brightener, helping whites look fresher while also reducing unpleasant odors. More delicate clothes are best dried in the shade to protect the fibers from intense sunlight. Once everything is dry, your white laundry will look fresher, cleaner, and noticeably brighter. It's a simple laundry habit that can help your favorite white clothes look their best for longer. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need 1 ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Put bay leaves in the washing machine. This trick will save you a ton of stress. Bay leaves are a popular ingredient in the kitchen, but they also have uses in laundry. They can effectively help remove stains. When you throw clothes of different colors into the washing machine, some may dye. Do you then have to throw away the dyed clothes? Absolutely not. A simple trick with bay leaves will save your clothes. All you need is a few bay leaves. Place them in a laundry washing bag and throw them into the washing machine with your stained clothes. Choose any program and turn on the washing machine. The stain problem should disappear. If the stains are intense, prepare a decoction of bay leaves. Boil water with a handful of bay leaves. After boiling, set aside to cool. Soak the stained clothes in the decoction for 3 hours. Then squeeze the clothes and wash them in a washing machine with detergent. Take the clothes out and enjoy their cleanliness.
Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on 1 wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight.